Hello to all my bearded buddies out there and future friends. My name is Dan C. and I go by the Trusted Teacher. Today I'm going to give you guys a video where I'm going to talk about and show you my routine that I do every day for washing and co-washing using a pretty cool utensil as well. And we're going to end it off with an awesome giveaway for that cool tool for the beard. So stay tuned to learn more about the routine and this awesome giveaway. You guys have been asking for it, and I finally filmed it. People have wanted to see me actually wash my beard. I know that's such a strange statement, but they've requested, and I filmed it. I had talked about it before, but now you can actually see the process. And the process for me is right now, I am 2 to 3 times a week actually washing my beard, and I rotate each wash between a liquid beard soap and then a bar beard soap. And after every washing, I finish with a co-wash, and every other day of the week, I just solo co-wash my beard. So now I am doing something to my beard in the shower every single day of the week. And some of the products that you're gonna see that I use in this video and show you the process, for my beard wash, as I said, one day I will use a liquid wash, such as Heroes and Legends. They have an awesome wash line. They have this one with keto, but they also have every scent that they use in a beard wash. Or on the bar soap day, I like to use a good bar soap that really kind of strips down the beard and gets everything out of there, because we use so many different products that have beeswax and all these things, so I like to get rid of those every once in a while. And my favorite right now is the Luxurious Bastard, and this is the pine tar soap. Pine tar soap does an amazing job of cleaning, kind of smells like a campfire a little bit, and is really, really nice and clean. So Luxurious Bastard, you want a discount code there, Command Bastard in all caps, 15% off for you guys. So after that, I always follow with a co-wash, and I will even just solo co-wash on days that I don't wash. And in the video, you're gonna see the Command co-wash. Of course, this is a collaboration of mine with Chesapeake Beard Co. So those are the products I use. And the only other thing that I use every single day is actually gonna be the giveaway at the end here, and I'll talk more about it in detail. But it is the original G-Man beard scrubber. This thing is awesome. I always felt like my hands weren't just doing enough to get into the beard, and so I scrub with this with every wash, with every co-wash, to get the product into the pores really, really nicely. You'll see me use this in the video, and I'll talk about it after. So stay tuned right now. You're gonna see the actual process of how I wash my beard. All right, guys, as I mentioned, I'm gonna show you how I wash and co-wash my beard. Also using the tool I use literally every single day in the shower, the original beard scrubber, the G-Man exfoliating scrubber. It works amazing. It makes my beard feel soft, and I feel like I'm getting the product into my beard. I'm not gonna talk a whole lot on this segment. It's gonna be more so about the process. So first, I gotta get my beard wet. All right, now as you can see, my beard is sopping wet now. Now I'm gonna get my beard wash. I'm using the Heroes and Legends antifungal beard wash with keto. Shake it up. I get about 2 quarter sizes in there. Work it in your hands. Then I come over the top, and I also work underneath. You gotta get to the skin. Get in the mustache. Get in there really nice. I always go with the shake technique. Just like you work the shampoo into your hair, get it all throughout your beard. I always rinse off my hands. Now I'm gonna go in with the beard scrubber. Make sure to have it wet first. You can also apply more wash or product to it if you would like. And then from there, what I'm gonna do is I'm simply just going to scrub down, making sure I'm getting that all the way into my skin. Go through the mustache. And this is gonna spread out the product, but really, really get it into my skin. It feels really nice. It goes through the beard extremely easily. I go through all the way down to keep my beard nice and straight, nice and soft. I'll even take it up underneath. Get that skin under on my neck. All right, make sure I go through the skin again. Okay. And then I'm going to rinse again. One thing before I rinse is I always go through back again and make sure I'm just going with my hand to get everything evenly spaced out. Okay. All right, hold on for me for a rinse. All right, I am all rinsed out now, as you can tell. Now for me, an extremely important part of my washing ritual to keep my beard looking amazing is co-wash. Co-wash is a deep conditioner. What I'm using is the Command Co-Wash by Chesapeake Beard Co. I use a pump top here. It always comes optional. And I go with 4 pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice thick consistency on the Co-Wash here. Work it into your hand. Same thing, I go over the top and then I come underneath. Get that into the beard. Smells great. It's a sea salt driftwood scent, just nice and clean. The wash by Heroes and Legends is not really scented. It's just a natural kind of, I don't know, root beer smell. All right. And this is when I really notice the beard scrubber is with this co-wash. It gets that moisture right into my beard. I have an extremely thick and dense beard, so I need something to really get to my skin. My fingers don't do it because there's so much blocking. All right, I'm gonna rinse my hand real quick. Then one more time. I have my beard scrubber all rinsed off. There's no more soap on there, but it is nice and wet. And what I'm going to go through is just same exact idea. Get the mustache, comb down, and I enjoy this. Like I always say, my beard care is like a stress relief. And this thing is so just extremely nice and pleasant to use. Get into the skin, especially on my cheeks. That's where a lot of guys run into acne problems, and it's because they're not cleansing it properly. This will exfoliate your skin and get that product into there and get it nice and clean. Go along your jawline, guys, under the lip. And then one more time, I'm going to come up underneath. Really massaging the skin. The hair is good to use with this, but it's all about getting to the skin, especially with thick and dense beards. And it gets right in there, evenly distributes it, and it's making your beard nice and soft along the way. One last time, rinse. And then from here, I'm going to dry off, and that is how I rinse, wash, co-wash my beard using the beard scrubber every single day. Some days it's twice a day, once in the shower, once like this at night. Sometimes it's just once in the shower. Some days it's just co-wash, but every single day I am using that beard scrubber. All right, thank you guys. What'd you think? How was my beard wash and co-wash routine similar to yours? How is it different? Let me know in a comment down below. Now, the tool that I used in the video, the G-Man Scrubber, is going to be what the giveaway is for today. This is actually the exact product that I'm going to ship to the winner for free. You don't have to pay for shipping. You don't have to pay for the product at all. I've got my scrubber in the shower right now. This is a brand new one. And I'll give you the rules and how to enter for that giveaway in just a minute on the next segment. Now a little bit more about this product. This is the G-Man Scrubber, owned by an awesome guy, G. He is out of Connecticut and he has had a beard for over 47 years. And he wanted to make a product that in the shower would attack the trapped body oils and sweat and products that build up. And he couldn't find anything that was out there, so he created it himself. What this has is 200 antibacterial silicone scrubbers that really get in and massage the pores. I love to use this on my skin, but I also go through, because my beard is longer than my skin, to keep my beard nice and straight. When I use this, my beard comes out of the shower a lot nicer, a lot neater, and I have less work to do. If I ever do not use this, the beard's a little bit more crazy and I gotta do more work with the blow dryer. So it's awesome. It's got a non-slip handle. It has a little finger hole here that I use to just hook it on my shower rack, and keeps it very nice and ready to go. So this is awesome. This is absolutely a game changer for me, and I never would have thought of that or considered it until I actually got the product. It's super, super awesome. So that is what we're gonna give away. So stay tuned for the rules. Giveaway time, rules and how you can enter. And I will put a link in the description for this product and any other product that's in the video today. And I do want to say this product linked is not an affiliate. I get nothing from these sales, and I'm genuinely telling you it does amazing things for my beard. And I'm not saying that to get any revenue. You guys know I'm the trusted teacher. I would never do that to you, but I got to try this out and it really has helped my beard. And I think you guys should give it a look in the link there. No affiliate link, just a link for you guys. Now, this is also a patent pending product. You know it's legit, you know it's a great company when they go through that process to get patent pending. Now, how you can win yours. All you need to do is, number one, be a subscriber. YouTube had a little glitch recently fixed where we couldn't see all the subscribers that follow us. Now they fixed that so I can actually check, I can actually see. If it's on private, I'll just have you guys send me a screenshot to show me that you are actually a subscriber when you win this great product. Now, be a subscriber. Please hit the thumbs up on this video to help that YouTube algorithm to get more people to see this video and product and overall channel. And third step is leave a comment down below. Because this is such a sweet giveaway, gotta throw in the dad jokes there, leave me a comment answering the question, what is your favorite candy? If you don't know, I don't have many vices in my life. I've never done drugs. I don't do really bad things, but I love candy. I am obsessed with candies. I could not answer what my favorite candy is. I love Snickers, I love Paydays, I love Dove chocolate, I love gummy bears, I love every type of candy there is, even the strange ones that Sam always makes fun of me. So answer just one. To officially enter, you have to give me one answer. What is your favorite candy down below? And you will win this brand new G-Man scrubber. I haven't even opened it yet. I'm gonna leave it right in here so you guys can get it fresh. I will send it to your house for free. If you're a subscriber, hit the thumbs up like button, and then also answer in a comment down below, what is your favorite candy? Just give me one answer there. So thank you guys. I hope the beard wash, co-wash routine video helps some people out, and another just awesome giveaway, and I have a few more giveaways coming up after this. So thank you guys. I look forward to hearing your response. I look forward to hearing about these new candies and everything else. Stay bearded, stay beautiful, and above all, stay positive. Thank you guys.